My name is Jessica. I am a K-12 curriculum director at a school district with about 120 employees, and I would rate Google Sheets at a 5 out of 5. Prior to using Google Sheets, I used Microsoft Excel, but since we use the Google Suite and everything is synced to my Google Drive through Google Sheets, it's a lot more convenient for me to use Google Sheets than it is to use Microsoft Excel anymore. So that's why I have switched to Google Sheets. I chose Google Sheets because it's part of the Google Suite that we were already using within our school, but I also like it because of the collaboration aspect of it. I'm able to share my Google Sheets with others, and others can work with it at the same time. So different people can edit it, and we can share responsibility for the Google Sheet versus having to share a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and then have it saved in different versions on different people's computers. So just the ability to collaborate on it using Google Sheets is what I like and why we chose that. Getting started with Google Sheets was pretty easy, especially if you have any background information or experiences with Microsoft Excel. It's very similar in how it works. And because it's all, through your Google Drive, it's easy to find. Whenever I log into Google, I just click, we call it the waffle. I click it and I can click on Google Sheets and go right to it. So it's easy to get started. It's also easy because you don't have to remember to hit save on anything since it is through Google. Everything that you're working on Google Sheets automatically saves as you're working through different projects. So I appreciate that. And I don't remember there being a lot of pain points when I got started using Google Sheets. I would definitely recommend Google Sheets for any company needing, visualizing their data or needing to organize information. I recommend it because you are able to collaborate. You're able to share it with specific people on certain teams. You can also change your sharing if somebody leaves the company or you need to give it to someone else to work on. And also, to my knowledge, it's free. I know our version of it is free. So I would recommend it to any company that's needing to organize information or have organization that's shared among teams of people.